feeling about this. It'd be nice to have a good feeling about the daughter being Detroit. I always think Jumper Bones in Detroit. Here we are. But maybe this is him rolling out the red carpet. Maybe he knows something that we don't.
Get it.
I'm sure he knows.
Get him.
We don't. I just gotta hope he doesn't know about the rains. Hey, on the subject of something I gotta tell you. What? This thing goes our way, and I triple.
You're goofy. Yeah.
You know I'm not coming back. Yeah, I'm aware. So you gotta promise me something.
There. There.
Yeah, easy. You gotta promise not to try to bring me back. What? No, I didn't sign up for that. Your hell is gonna make my tour look like Graceland. You want me just to sit by and do nothing? Once the gates are shut, you can't go poking at it, Dean. It's too risky. As if I'm just gonna
Hi, Crazy.
Yeah, you are.
Hi, Crazy girl.
You can't ask me to do this. I'm sorry, Dean. You have to.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's hilarious.
So then what am I supposed to do? You go find this. You pray to God she's going to take you in. You have barbecues and go to football games. You go live some normal apple pie life.
Kisses, no. No. No bite. No bite. Kisses, no bite.
Demons. At least 2 dozen of them. You're right, something's up more than something. He's here.
Arr. You look so vicious. And you're only 2 pounds. Say goodbye, Lucy. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.